Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, thinking about canceling Audible but not sure how it works. Maybe you have stacked up credits or you are just not listening as much. The good news is, canceling Audible is super easy once you know where to go. And don't worry, your purchased audiobooks stay with you forever. So let me show you exactly how to cancel it. Step by step, let's get started. So first and first, you're gonna go all the way, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet, go and look for Amazon.com or just access Amazon from the app. So for me, I just open the browser, looking for Amazon, tap on this link, then go, connect using your login. I'm talking about email address and password, so you can access your account. As for now, I'm gonna over here, then tap on memberships and subscription. So as you see guys, there is your subscriptions that you are already basically paying for and the additional subscriptions and plans. For you guys, you will be able to see this Audible audiobooks here. So tap on it, then go all the way and cancel membership. Follow the prompts and confirm. As for some additional tips, use your credits before canceling. Unused credits may expire. Your audiobooks remain in your library forever. Then Audible may offer a pause option instead of canceling. So cancel at least 24 hours before renewal. And just like that, basically this is it. You can also go and check all of these subscriptions if you want basically to cancel any of them besides the Audible membership. So as you see guys, no stress, no lost audiobooks, and no future charges. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.